Step 1. The Resurrection Bath.
We throw these stiff boards into the jacuzzi.
Transcription, and lock them in.
For days, they soak in a secret chemical mix. The timing has to be perfect.
When they come out, they're reborn.
Flexible. Soft. Ready for the next step.
Now we clean it up.
This is the fleshing station.
It looks medieval.
Sounds like a barber shop from hell.
Now buttery soft. Unbelievable.
But we make it even softer.
This machine beats it up in a good way.
It separates the fibers, makes it pliable. Next, we buff it to perfection.
We remove any imperfection.
A final, breathable top coat.
locking in the color and the feel.
The final cut. The master grader returns.
He looks for the top 1%, the flawless.
A speck of dust in the die. Marked. The perfect ones go here. For the iconic pieces.
Now, the precision begins. We use software to maximize every cut.
Not a single centimeter is wasted.
The laser is fired.
It cuts with absolute perfect accuracy.
The smell is intense.
Every piece is perfect.
Now, the machines stop. The masters begin.
This is where the real value is built. They shave the edges for seamless seams.
This takes years to master.
Every hole is punched by hand.
Then the stitching begins. This isn't fast, it's deliberate.
Every stitch is identical. It has to be.
Transcription. Now the edges get their color.
We burnish it with friction.
Until it's as smooth as glass.
This is next level. Aligning the leopard spots.
It's an obsession with symmetry. It's an obsession with symmetry.
The hardware is just as important.
Sewn in by hand for strength.
Final press. Setting the shape.
It brings out the richness.
The final touch. The brand.
The masterpiece is born. A piece of wearable art.
In the instances at space selected they displaced it instantly in decisions we made 6.
Every detail. Perfect.
Every stitch. A promise.
But it's not done yet.
The final boss awaits.
He will find a flaw you can't see.